Hey guys, today I'm going to be reviewing this nice backpack here. I want to show you a few features about this. So it's got the reflective pieces here, just in case if you're wearing it at night and you're walking down the street, that way, it's reflective and provides that safety. Just a nice feature. You've got your toggles down here that are going to allow it to loosen and tighten. Tighten it down as you need be, which is a really nice feature. I want to show you all the different pockets and zippers that it has. So right here, where you would have it on your back, you've got a nice tucked away pocket right here. That zipper is right there. It's pretty deep. It's a nice deep pocket right there. As we flip around to the front, you've got a fairly deep front pocket, being able to hold, let's say an iPad, nice and easy, with a lot of space still left. You've got another pocket that's going to be a little bit bigger for a little more storage. Let's say we want to put two of our calendar and one of our books in here. Fits really nice and snug, with still a lot of space if you need it, which is really nice, especially for the size of the backpack. It's not a huge backpack at all, but it has a ton of space and a ton of storage. Then we've got a really big pocket here. Let's get you a nice look in there. That's going to go all the way down. Look at that. Here, whole arm, all the way in. We'll put our computer in there. And then another feature that it offers is you've got a USB attachment here, and the cords for that on the inside. Really nice options and features. Easy to zip, as it has these pieces connected to the zipper. Makes it really easy to use. You've got, while we're looking, we've got our side pockets here, just for some quick access and good storage. So I really like this one. Really small, isn't really that big. As you can see, I can just put it right on my back. Very comfortable, very lightweight, really nice. I highly recommend this one. Hope you found this review helpful.